Till now, you've only been buying things on Amazon. But did you know that you can also make money from Amazon? Let me tell you how. What's up everyone, I'm so happy to see you here. For those of you who are new, my name is Mani Karthik and I'm a blogger and entrepreneur from India. I used to work in the US and Middle East for about 10 years, but I got bored, so I got to return back to India to pursue my passion in blogging. So on this channel, I share everything that I've learned in the last couple of years that will make you smarter, richer and happier person. I hope you find this video useful and subscribe to my channel so I can share more awesome information with you. But don't do it now, watch the entire video and decide for yourself. So we all know Amazon as this big marketplace where all of us buy things from, right? So how do we make money and how do we make Amazon pay us? Do they really pay you or is it a scam? Well, yes they do, and no, it's not a scam. Here's how it works. So remember this well. Amazon Associates Program. You need to remember this as we go into this video. Yes, Amazon Associates Program, that's the name of the program from Amazon that if you use properly, can earn you money with no investment at all, or minimal investment, let's say. Let me tell you how it works. So through Amazon Associates Program, you can sign up as a partner with Amazon, which will give you a unique code or a link for every product you sell. So if you share this link with others and if they buy something from Amazon, you will get a nice commission. Sounds good, right? So for example, let's say your friend is asking you which phone to buy. Then you recommend him a phone by giving your unique link from Amazon. So let's say the new iPhone or something like that. He clicks on the link, goes to Amazon and purchases that phone. You get a commission of around 10%. That's nice, right? So not only that, if he buys any other product from Amazon in the next 24 hours, any product, you still get a commission on each sale made. Now you see the point, don't you? Well, let me tell you the rules and regulations to participate in this program. Number one is that you need to have a website on your own. Now, this is super easy. You can make your own website with around rupees 500 or so from GoDaddy, and I've explained this to you in many videos before on this channel. There is a link I have posted in the description. Go ahead and check it out and you'll get a special discount code by which you can get a super cheap website in under 1 hour on GoDaddy. So basically the rules are that your website has to comply with Amazon rules and regulations. Like if, for example, it should not be misleading, it should not have any sexually explicit or violent material, or do nothing illegal, etc. So Amazon encourages you to share your product links on your website. So for that, you should start writing content on your website, basically like, review some products or tell your thoughts on a product or anything like that. So basically, you should be promoting Amazon's product through your website with your unique links. And that's the key. So how do you promote? Let me explain. Once you join Amazon Associates Program with your website, you will get unique links to Amazon's products. Some of those links looks like advertisements, just like the advertisements you see on YouTube, the square advertisements you see on the right, I guess, yes. So if somebody makes a purchase by clicking on those ads, you will be credited for the commission, like I mentioned earlier. So all you have to do is copy paste the link on your blog and promote it with as many people as you can. So let's say, for example, there's a new phone that's coming out. So you write a review for it on your blog and share that blog post with your friends, like for example on social media, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, wherever you want to have it. So there are different ways by which you can promote your Amazon Associates website. The more people that visit your site, the higher the chances of you making money from Amazon. And the best part is that you don't have to invest any money in it other than just having a website and posting the product reviews and links onto the website. So there are many deals and daily offers also on Amazon that many people don't know about. So if your website or blog can let people know of the amazing offers, then that'll be a great idea to get some traffic and audience, right? So there are a lot of websites where they promote the daily deals and offers from Amazon. So your website also could be one of that. So for example, all the daily offers from India on Amazon. That'll be an amazing idea, right? So basically the idea is that gradually build a community around your website so that you give them the latest offers and they buy through clicking your link. Perfect win-win situation, isn't it? So you can also try doing YouTube videos if you want to. Like for example, do video reviews of these products that you're featuring on your website. You have to keep in mind two things though. One, make sure that you don't send emails out with Amazon's unique links on them, because that is against their policies. You can promote the products on your website, but not send emails with a direct link to to buying that product. Sharing the link of your blog is completely fine. So 2 is that you have to disclose to your website visitors that the unique links that you're shared on Amazon are actually affiliate or partner links. So that way you have the transparency part cleared out completely. And for every purchase they make by either buying the product or another one in the 24 hours of clicking your link, you get a commission, no questions asked. And you can see how many clicks your links generated and how much money you made through a live report also. And there are no confusions on how many clicks you had, how many purchases were made, and how much commissions you actually earn. So to summarize, you can start making money with Amazon sitting at home by applying for Amazon Associates program, by having a website on your own that follows Amazon's rules, by creating a good audience network of people who would love to visit your website for offers and deals that you promote and review on your website. Now, creating a website might be easy if you follow the link in the description I just mentioned, but you will see why. Building an audience for your website is, however, not that easy. Even if it is easy, it takes some time. But once you provide unique content, showcase unique products, it becomes easy for you as well as others. I have many videos showing how you can do it. Do check out them in the playlist. So why is Amazon a good idea to make money working from home? Well, it is Amazon, so the program is here to stay and it's not a scam like many work from home jobs are. It pays you well and directly to your bank account. Basically, you can withdraw the money directly to your bank account. So it is easy to sell because the products are already popular and people love it. Like for example, all the latest phones, all the latest gadgets, all the latest laptops, people love it because it's already from Amazon and there's no confusion as to whether this is a scam or not. The secret is to start early and build an audience slowly. So before you know, you will be making money simply by having a website of yours and selling other people's products without any investment at all. Easy peasy. So there you have it, how to make money sitting at home by just owning a website from Amazon. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please let me know in the comments and do hit that like button because that'll encourage me to make more videos as such. If you have any questions, please let me know either by email or in the comments. I would love to help you. This is Mani Karthik signing off. What's up everyone? I'm so happy.